Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this 24-hour heavy-duty mechanical timer. So these are good if you're like going on vacation or something like that, or you need to want to set a timer on a lamp and have it go on and off at certain times and stuff. It's just kind of a basic timer. I'm just trying to look here if it's anything magical about it. Not really. I mean, here's the instructions if you need it. This is the, oops, that's the second page there. So if you need to know what anything is. Third page is here. So there's even a bypass switch and what. So this is what it looks like here though. So this is it here. It looks like you'll set it to the certain times that you want it to go on and off, depending on what you click in. So it looks like, what is it? Is it the on is down and set a period of time for the, make sure all the pins in the up position before beginning. Attach the device to be on. Okay, so it looks like they're off. And then, so you'll set the time. So like right now it is 11 o'clock. So I will set it to 11 a.m. So now you see it's got 11 a.m. on there. And then I can say if I want it to go on at 11 and stay on for a few hours, I can just push those down. You see those are pushed down. You just push down those. And now it's going to go on until 5 p.m. So I would have it from 11 to 5. So that's pretty cool. And then you can turn it on, and I guess that's bypass. Here is the, so that's set it on the schedule, and then here would be just if you want it on. So kind of cool that you have that ability to even just turn it on, so you don't have to unplug it and mess with the pins if you actually want it on at some point. So pretty cool. Nice little device here, and it's just super simple. 3-prong plug it in, plug your device into it, and you're good to go. So super cool. It's by, looks like BN Link is the style of it. And these are good. I like these plug-in ones here. Super cool. And it even has the instructions on the back if you don't have the papers. So cool. Thumbs up.